A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for grapes. H for hen. I for ice cream. J for joker. K for kite. L for lion. M for monkey. N for nest. O for orange. P for parrot. Q for queen. R for rabbit. S for sun. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watch. X for xylophone. Y for yacht. Z for zebra. Repeat after me. Okay kids, let's revise. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. I, J, K, L. M, N, O, P. Q, R, S, T. U, V, W, X. Y and Z.